Who the hell is Carlo?
I got some gangsters in my family tree. You know it ain't no hoe in me. Been thugging all my life. I just thank God that I survived the street. Be careful how you step to me. Glock 23, hold 33. Won't tuck my tail for now, nigga. Bet I go out like a G.
I got some gangsters in my family tree. They gave me game up in these streets. Disrespect my name for some fame, you gon' be underneath. I'ma make sure that my family eat, cause they depend on me. This is for the G's up in jail or rest in the
I got some gangsters in my family tree. That snitching shit ain't in my genes. Play with one of us, I bet we leave your thoughts all on the scene. On cap, it was happening. It's your boy Cartier-Carlo, man. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, man, it's been a minute since I purchased a new gun. And it's been a minute since I did a gun review. You know, I've been out the way. You know, I've been getting to the ciabatta. You know, I've been getting to the money. Like I said in previous videos, you know, I'm somewhere in the new field, a career field, working, doing some type of stuff in the environment that I enjoy, that I love to do. You know what I'm saying? So I'm blessed for that. You know, I just been laying low, staying out the way, doing my thing, getting some money, you know, doing a few little upgrades to my lifestyle. You dig where I'm coming from? But today, I'm finna show y'all some fire. Some fire right here. This gun that I'm finna ready to show y'all, this is really like my second one ever. Since I've been carrying pistols legitly since 2015, 2016. I've been, you know, Glocks, mini Dracos, you know, Max and stuff like that. Pretty much just about the same shit, man. You know, forget all that talk, man. I'm finna ready to get on some bone crusher shit right now, man. Finna get on some bone crusher stuff, man. So I'm outside of the club and he think I'm a punk. So I go to the heavy Chevy and pop the trunk. I ain't never scared. I ain't never scared. I ain't never scared. Yeah, man. Yeah, yes, sir. What y'all looking at right now, man, is a Springfield Armory Saint AR-15 5.56 NATO. You know what I'm saying? 223 Remingtons. 7.5 inch barrel. Crimson trace red dot. Buffer tool with the cheek on there. Don't worry about this, y'all. I got something that I'm finna replace this with real soon. I'm finna put me a SBA 5 brace on here soon. Sooner than you think. Real soon. Real soon. Just not at the time when I you know, doing the video. But I'm getting a SBA 5 brace on there that just came out not too long ago. That is, I'm gonna drop that on here. You feel me? I ain't really did too much to it. Oh yeah, man, I got the extended bolt release right here. You know, so most people have to, when they shoot in there, have to press this side right here manually, you know, from this side. But when I'm trying to drop the bolt, you know, when I got the charging handle extended, you know what I'm saying, the round empty, you know, and I go and, you feel me, like, put a new mag in, instead of having to press this side of it, I could just hit this right here, bop. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I hit that mud, lift it up like that, bop, it's gonna come back on. You know what I'm saying? Come back easy. So, you know, got that on there. You know, I got a sling finna get on this guy real soon. I'm finna put a sling on this guy. You got to have one of these on the AR, man, because if y'all know, man, this is a goddamn fire starter. This small barrel, this is considered a pistol. First of all, let me educate y'all the right way with that. This is not a rifle. No, this is considered a pistol. You know, an AR-15 with a short barrel, man. A whole lot of fireballs, a whole lot of concussion. Y'all gonna see in this video, bro, like, y'all gonna see the actual range footage of me busting this mug, and I pretty much was drowning in gunpowder trying to rapid fire this motherfucker, man. I pretty much drowned. Like, as I'm busting, I'm just sitting there, and just gunpowder just felt like Tony Montana at the goddamn dash man snouting a hill of goddamn cocaine. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I mean, this gun here fun. Y'all know this mother here loud as hell. It's a very loud gun. This muzzle on here is supposed to direct all the flame and, you know, concussion, whatever, however you say that in the gun world, you know. But this muzzle supposed to blow all that way, but that's not gonna take away from this. Let me show y'all, bro, what I got in here. It's on safety, first of all. You know what I'm saying? I do got one. I'm gonna do it just for the record, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it just for the record, because I don't want to hear nobody mouth, you know, for the record. Be clear. Be crystal clear, man. You know what I'm saying? So, what the hell I was it? Oh, yeah, so that's not gonna stop, like I was saying, man, when it's supposed to bring all the concussion or percussion forward, send all the fireballs forward, you know, stuff like that. But that's not gonna stop from this gun right here, this caliber that's full of gunpowder. From every time you push this guy right here, man, wop, 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 wop. Ejecting that round out, you getting all that pressure from inside of him just slapping in your face. Just slapping in your face, man. So you gonna definitely pretty much drown from gunpowder out this thing. Yeah, bro, like, ain't too much I can say about this gun, bro. Like, this look nice. Like I say, got the crimson trace, red dot on there. I need to put some sights on here, iron sights. I'm gonna give me a 60 round barrel. 60 round drum. You know, y'all just stay tuned on the updates of this. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up on the talking part of this, man. It's pretty much not an unboxing. It's just me showing y'all a new toy that I got. More video, like probably in the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna do some more gun content. Got some of my partners and stuff that want to link up, and they just started a YouTube channel, and they want to, you know, link up and go shooting and make some cool YouTube content. So y'all stay tuned to that video, man. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna go out in the desert and we're gonna go out there and turn up, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna turn up real soon. So like I said, man, y'all stay tuned. You feel me? Y'all watch the video. Check out the shooting range video. It's quick, it ain't too long, you know. It's just really my first shots out of the gun, you know. So y'all check that out. But before we get in that, man, make sure y'all like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. I'm up out this thing, man. On cap, y'all be easy. Hey, it's your boy Cartier-Carlo, man. And we forgot to do the first shots out of my new 7.5 inch AR pistol by Springfield Armory. It's the Saint 5.56-223. You know, I got this guy from Sheepdog Gun Armory. You know, best gun shop in Las Vegas. So if y'all here in Las Vegas, make sure you pull up at Sheepdog Gun Armory and tell them Cartier-Carlo sent you. All right. Now here we go. Let's go. Fire in the hole. We're gonna try some quick little rapid fire, because I know y'all like that over here on my page. So let's see how we do with that.
I'm quick to delete shit, bro.
Keep it rolling. Alright.
If you ain't making mistakes, it ain't real.
Right.
Is it seated? Is it seated?
We figured to try to do rapid fire on this. Hopefully we good to go. We're gonna do a rapid fire, see what we get with it. All that gunpowder, it felt like I I jumped in the pool full of chlorine or something. Like, all I just got was like,
Takes your breath away.
obviously this gun, like 5.56. It seemed like 2.23 not his favorite. So yeah, I think if you buy this gun right here, just make sure you keep 5.56 in it. Cause I was trying 2.23 and it was not liking 2.23 much. I was having a lot of little hiccups and stuff, but as soon as we put some 5.56 in, Usain Bolt. So keep that in mind, man, if you got one of these. 5.56, your best bet is to have 5.56 versus 2.23. Some guns do it, so you know you don't really gonna have an issue, but just keep that in mind. Like I said, most of these guns, they just really run good with 5.56 versus 2.23. So all right, that's the first shots out of this, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Working dudes to the scale. I just might send you a brick through the mail. Hop on the road, take a trip anywhere. I'ma bust out my wrist once I bust down the bill.